Hello everyone, welcome back to the Arboretum channel. And if there is one thing you should know about me, it's that I love coffee. And today we are going to reinvent a classic. This is the Hario V60, a favorite among coffee geeks around the world. But I thought, what if we could make this even more portable? I envisioned something flat-packed, easily assembled, space-saving and easy to print. That brought me to a unique triangular design. So this is my basic sketch that I use for this design. You can see it's a simple triangle shape with angles of 60 degrees and this flap over here that will be both a handle and a stand for the whole thing. And if we move to the STL, to the shape, you can see it's very simple. I've only added these stripes here, so they are kind of a channels for the coffee to flow. Plus I've rounded the corners and that's basically it. With the design ready, it was time to print. And I chose PETG filament as I had it in hand, plus it's fairly tough and resistant. From 3 flat pieces to a compact coffee dripper. Let's put it together. Moment of truth. Let's see how our triangular wonder stands up against the classic V60. It seems it works in principle, but let's taste the coffee. So I can say that the coffee is okay. Might be a bit under extracted because of the shape, but definitely works. And well, it seems we had a little meltdown. PETG might not have been the best choice for this endeavor. And well, it's a proof of concept, it works. However, the filament I've used is not heat resistant enough. Well, it's part of the process. We learn, we adapt. I'm going to reprint it using a filament with a higher melting point, and I have some ideas how I can optimize the design itself. So, stay tuned for an update. From classics to new experiments, the coffee journey never stops. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for new 3D printing adventures. Until next time, keep brewing and keep printing. Bye bye.